Hi, welcome back to C's Culinary. Today we're going to be making peanut butter and jelly cookies. You're going to want to start with 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Into that you're going to add half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And you're just going to want to mix all that around and set that aside. And into a large mixing bowl, you're going to want to add in 1 1/4 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar. To that, you're going to want to add 1 cup of softened butter and cream that together. With all cookies, you always want to make sure that your butter is nice and soft so the creaming process goes a lot easier. If you're ever in a pinch and need to soften butter quickly, throw it in the microwave or put it on top of your preheating oven. And into that, you're going to want to add in 2 whole eggs, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Get that blending. A lot of the times the recipes will call for you to add in 1 egg at a time. I find that unless you're adding in a bunch of eggs, you just want to make sure, if you're going to add them all in at once, just make sure they're all thoroughly mixed in. Then to that, you're going to want to add in 1 cup of peanut butter. I like using chunky peanut butter. It's really up to your preference. I like chunky because I like to be able to see the peanuts in the finished product. And finally, you're going to want to add in your flour and dry ingredients. And then just mix to combine. Alright, with a cookie scoop, you're just going to want to get 1 scoop of cookie dough here. Just make sure that you use the same size scoop and space them evenly apart. I would say maybe half an inch apart, more if you want to be on the safe side. Alright, so now that your cookies are out of the oven and cooled, you're going to take, very simply, whatever your favorite type of jelly is. Here I'm using an organic 4-fruit consisting of raspberry, blueberry, and what is it, blackberry? Yep. So then you're just going to take about a tablespoon or 2 of your jelly, spread them on your peanut butter cookies, and assemble your sandwiches as such. That is good.